we have this scenario maybe where you start a new PBI and you do the first part, it's quite easy, so you fix that little problem, and then you start working on the other problem, and instead of that being a little thing, you think, oh gosh, that's going to take me half a day, or a day. You've already just fixed a little bug, so you can go back to it, select this text, and then over on the right, do you see this? Stage change. You can commit that little piece. So I think that's pretty cool. I certainly know if you guys would use such a feature. Now, by the way, a lot of these features already exist in an add-on. Some of our devs use this one. So this is Kraken. It does some of this stuff. You'll see creating and managing pull requests here. You can see the commit history with these nice lines. You have a nicer terminal experience. And here are some warnings for some merge conflicts and resolving merge conflicts. Anything that helps you resolve merge hell is excellent.